This is a test of the 1080p 24. Just a minute. Oh, hey man, what's up? I was just kind of testing my new camera. I didn't expect you so early in the time. Are you alright? No, you do not look good at all. That looks nasty. Yeah, let me, got lots of tissues. Clean up a bit. Yeah, how did that happen? Oh, jeez, I can't imagine. Man, you should really get that thing looked at. Here, let me clean it up a little more. Okay, that was completely unnecessary, and it was counterproductive. Look at this. Now, I'm gonna have to use the whole box on you. God, quit whining. Hold still. Whoa! Hey, didn't I say to cut that out? Look, I'm trying to help you here. I'm worried. You want me to help you? You want me? Okay, so just calm down, alright? Hey! That is not calm. I told you to... Please, calm down. Look, I know you've been having a rough weekend with your mother and... Hey! Whoa! What do you think you're doing? Is that my pancreas? Hey, I need that! Just hey, let me up. Let me up. Oh, come on, you got my entrails all over. This is a new shirt. A nice new shirt. And just, oh my God. Will you stop? It is very difficult to do anything with you chewing on me. No! Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Look, I know you told me that you didn't eat breakfast this morning, but this is a little bit over the top. Hey! I'm just gonna go ahead and... Hey, no, this isn't for... I wasn't gonna stab you with this. No, don't, that doesn't mean you should stab me with it. Stop. Put it down. Can I have it back? Thank you. Okay, something's bothering you, I can tell. Just start at the beginning. No, use words, use your mouth for words, not eating. Look, I would appreciate it if you stopped that for just a... Whoa! Hey! I would really appreciate it if you not smash my face against the desk. It's a little bit painful to my chin. Thank you. Again, I'd really rather you not... Oh. 1 second, I need to take this. Hey, can I have my kneecaps back? So look, stop. Get off me for a second. Great, now I missed it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, and it could have been important. I should call him back. Hi, you called? Yeah, I couldn't get to my phone. Oh, yeah, I'm here with Jesse. He is consuming my flesh at the moment. Can I finish my phone conversation, please? I know, just give me a minute. Anyway, so, you know what, I gotta call you back. Okay, bye. Okay, where were we? Right, yeah, go ahead. Wow, I didn't know I had so much, blood in my body. Oh, come on, what do you take me for? Not the first time.
We're not unreasonable. I mean, no one's gonna eat your eyes.